Creating engaging sessions is definitely in the to-do list of all the educators. Let's look forward how we can play this using myViewBoard. To do that, let me go on to the next page. Here, I already have a pre-installed board game with me that I have created using the background management tool here. So here, as you can see, there are a lot of pre-installed templates to use from, and I have chosen this template from worksheets. Right, so like this, if something meets your requirements, if there is something that matches to your requirement, you can definitely choose it from here. Otherwise, you can create a new board game using pictures option. So here I have chosen this one, right? So let me apply it to this page. Right, now I want two players to play this game, probably Rita and Amit, right? For which I want two sticky notes here. To add the sticky notes, click on Magic Box, use sticky notes. So I have two sticky notes available with me. Now, the first one, or rather I would say the green one, is for Ria. Let me write R here. And the orange one is for Amit. Okay, now let me just quickly move these sticky notes here. So I have two sticky notes available with me. Now, because it is a board game, I would like to roll a dice. To roll a dice, let me click on Magic Box again. Click on this tools option and there is a dice available. Simply drag and drop the dice on the screen. Now, just the way we play a game called Ludo or any other, right? All I need to do is roll a dice. For instance, the first chances of Ria, let me click on the dice again. So it says 1. So this from start, this comes to position number 1. And in case I want, I can set some activities or rules here. For instance, let me write a rule here. It says define water cycle. So that's the question that you need to do if you come on this one. For example, for this one, I want my students to define photosynthesis. Right, so in this way, I can create a board game. Let's roll a dice again. Go to tools, add the dice here and play. So it says 4. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So now the orange one, that is Amit, comes on this one and he has to define water cycle. So in this way, I can create my board games, make it interesting for my learners. I can add some questions here. It can be in terms of images, asking questions, asking them to perform some activity and so on. So by making all these things, I can make my session interesting, isn't it? So that's another beautiful way to make the session interesting using board games. Do try it and tell us in the comment section below what all did you do using board games.